शक्लें खेल
will be x raised to 4 3s are 12. X raised to 12 upon y raised to 6.
8.
This will be the answer. Okay, how do negative exponent become positive? What do we do?
Reciprocal.
Yes. So by doing the reciprocal of base, the negative exponent becomes a positive exponent. Okay. Okay, so once again, just check the rules. A raised to m into a raised to n. Bases are same, powers are added. A raised to m plus n. All of you have written these rules yesterday in your notebook? Yes. All of you have written? Yeah. So a raised to
Yes,
m
ma'am.
divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m whole to the power n, powers are multiplied. So a raised to m into n. Now a into b raised to m, the power will be separated, a raised to m into b raised to m. And the last one, a
I have to multiply that.
will multiply, na, separate ho gaya power. So a raised to m into b, because ab is already in multiplication. A into b whole power m. So when power goes inside, it will be a raised to m into b raised to m. And a by b whole power n, then separated, the numerator and denominator will get the independent powers, a raised to n by b raised to n. See, when you write the answers, I think Munib, I have written a comment also in your answer. Whenever you are writing a power in numerator by denominator, put a bracket over here. Because if you write, suppose if I write this as, suppose if I write 2 by 3. So 2 raised to, sorry, 2 raised to, suppose 2 I am writing. So it is actually 4 by 3. But if I write 2 by 3 whole power, if I am writing this whole as bracket, this means 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Means this means 4 by 9. So the mistake that you did, Munib, was that you didn't put a bracket over here. If you don't put a bracket, it will be, the answer will be only the numerator ka power, denominator ka no power. So you have to put a bracket which shows that it is, or you write separately 2 square upon 3 square.
Ma'am, but there was no this in question.
There was in MCQ.
And ma'am, in option also you didn't put bracket in some.
Actually, in option, the bracket was missing, but that is why I'm telling you, you always put bracket. Okay?
I thought it was purposely done.
So in one question, it was wrongly written. Bracket was not put. So that makes a wrong answer. Okay. Okay. So moving. Now let us do the questions. Now first one is, okay, first one Muazzam will answer. Mark the correct answer. 3 raised to 0 is what?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, 3 raised to 0 is 1. Which of the following has the greatest value? Now find out, take 1 minute time. Which of the following has the greatest? You can find out by seeing also, no need to calculate. But if you want to calculate, you can find out. See how, what is the technique to find out the greatest
Ma'am,
number?
A.
A?
Yes.
What is the value of A? 1 by 25? Correct?
Yes.
5. It is 5 raised to minus 2. So to make it plus 2, what will you do? 1 upon
Divide.
1 upon 25. So 1 upon 25 is, it will be less than 1, right? 1, it is an improper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Proper fraction is where numerator is smaller than denominator. The value is less than 1. So this is less than 1. Now minus 2 raised to 0. What is the answer?
1, ma'am.
1. So here you are getting greater than 1, means equal to 1. And what is 2 raised to 1? What is 2 raised to 1, Safia?
2.
2. So which number is greater now? Greatest?
C.
C. Okay. So you see, this is clear. 1 upon 25, it will be less than. It is less than 1. It is 1 and this is greater than 1, 2. So this is the greatest number. Which of the following is not equal to 3 by 4 raised to 0?
Yeah. Ma'am, the A1.
I'm B. I'm B.
Just a moment, it
And B. B.
I think it is not 0, it is raised to 6. Huh? No, it is raised to 0. 3 by 4
B.
raised to 0 is there. A is equal to 3 by 4 raised to 0. B is 1. So it is not equal.
And what is 0 raised to 0?
0 raised to
And
0.
somebody is good, I cannot hear you.
Organized thing. It's so amazing. You know, it's
Safia,
a collection that I
please
was.
mute yourself. See, 0 raised to 0 should not be there in this thing because it is a not defined thing. Any non-zero number raised to 0 is 1. Okay. So I think this should also not be there in the option. Your answer should be 1 raised to 23 cannot be equal to 3 by, no, 1 raised to 23 is 1 only. So this is C is the option. What is the value? 4 by 3 raised to 0 is what?
1, ma'am.
1.
1. 1 raised to 23 is what?
1.
0 raised to 0 is not defined. It can
Undefined.
1. Yes. So the answer is, which of the following is not equal to 3 by 4 raised to 0 is C. Is it clear how it is C? Because 3 by 4 raised to 0 is, what is 3 by 4 raised to 0? 1.
1, 1.
4 by 3 raised to 0 also 1. 1 raised to 23 also 1. So 0 raised to 0 is not defined and it is not equal to 1. So your answer is, which of the following not equal to this value is
0 raised to 0 will be 0 then.
No, 0 raised to 0 is not defined. Means no fixed number you can write. Okay. Not in maths, you will study imaginary numbers, infinite numbers, infinity. Not a number, it is a not defined thing. You cannot reach infinity, right? Infinity is a term, but it is not a defined number. Okay? Because you don't know how much is infinity. Which one of the expression is not the same as 6 raised to minus 2?
A.
A, yes. Because 1 by 6 raised to minus 2 is 1 by 6 square and 1 by 6 ka whole square. Because 1 ka square is 1 only. So you can write like this also. So A is not the value of, because 1 by 6 raised to minus 2 is how much, Amina? 1 by 6 raised to minus 2. What will be the answer?
It will be 1 by 12.
No. Don't always, I keep on telling you, don't multiply
36.
the base and exponent.
36.
Okay, that is a blunder. We just have to make the power positive. And what is the method to make it positive? You have to make the reciprocal of base. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 6?
1 by 1 by 6.
So that is 6 only.
Yeah.
Man, the answer is 36.
Not 36. 1 by 6 ka reciprocal is 6. So your answer will be, iska answer is 6 square, which is not equal to 6 raised to minus 2. So your answer for this question is first part, first one.
36.
Iska ye tha, and this one was this, and this one was 3 raised to 0 is 1. Okay, next question. Simplify 4 raised to minus 2. What is 4? Now you tell Amina, what is 4 raised to minus 2? And then I'll ask Safia also. 4 raised to minus 2. How will you make
And
it?
it will be 1.
B.
1.
And B.
Let her say, yes, 1 by
1 by 4:2.
Correct. So what is 1 by 4:2?
It will be 16.
1 by 16, right? So answer is B. Okay. Safia, what is the answer over here? Just use a law. 3 and 3. Bases are same. Beach mein multiplication sign is there. So what will be the answer over here? 3 powers will be, what will you do with the power?
Multiply.
So the answer is the B one.
Ma'am, we will not multiply, we will add it.
Ma'am, it will be addition.
When the bases are same and you have a
Achha,
multiplication sign,
ma'am.
So added, ma'am.
Ma'am, A.
yes,
3:5.
correct. Answer is A. Now who will do this one? Humaira, I have not asked Humaira yet. Yes, Humaira, same law you have to use. What is the answer? 2 raised to
Can I say?
2,
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
B.
4 plus B. Yeah, correct. 4 plus B.
2:7.
2 raised to 7. Okay, now this one. Ahmad,
B,
7
ma'am.
raised to 12 divided by 7 cube. What will be the answer?
B. 7 raised to 9.
Ahmad, which law we are going to use over here? Mudabbir, which law we are going to use?
Ma'am,
If the
Everyone mute yourself.
It's 7 raised to 9.
Yes, Mudabbir?
ma'am, if the bases are same in division, then we subtract the power.
Correct. So what is 7 raised to? Answer will be 7.
No, 7 raised to. Yeah.
9, na? 7 raised to 9, B part. Okay. So next question. 3 raised to 2 whole power 8. Yes, Abdullah. Now you tell. 3
Okay.
raised to 2
3
whole
is
power
16.
8. So what will you do? Which law we are going to
Multiply.
I will multiply
8
the
and
power.
apply the
Multiply.
Ma'am,
power?
the numbers, I cannot see the numbers, ma'am.
8 and 2.
Okay, I'll
Ma'am, 3 raised to
tell you the answer.
16. A.
8
3 raised to
16. So 3 raised to 16. Okay, simplify. It is again division. Okay, Amina, just listen to my question because I am speaking now. You are not able to see now. So 8 cube divided by, I'm writing it over here. 8 raised to 3 divided by 4 square. How will you solve it? You have to use a law. What do we do? Just change 2 into the form of cube, 8 in the form of 2 ka power. So what is 8 in the form of 2? 2
2
cube.
cube. 2 cube.
2 cube. So instead of 8, I'll write 2 cube and outside ka cube, I'll put it here divided by, what is 4 in terms of 2?
2 square.
2 square. So 2 square I'll write instead of 4 and outside power I'll write like this. Okay. Now can you simplify? What is this? 2 raised to, how much is it? Yeah, Safia, how much is it? 2 raised to,
Ma'am, we'll
Ma'am, the answer will be 2
multiply,
raised
na?
to 13.
yeah.
2 raised to 13 is the answer, ma'am.
Right, right?
Let me complete the steps. Yeah, Farhana. Yeah, Farhana is asking.
What are
Amina.
these, I know?
3 3s are, what will be here? 3 3s are 9. Just see the procedure because the process we are going to follow in all.
Ma'am, 2 and the second one is 2:4.
Correct. And the second one is 2 raised to 4. Don't say is 2 raised to 4. Now it is 9 minus 4. Correct? Because we are
Yes.
using a division sign. So what will be my
Yes,
final
right.
answer? 2 raised
2
to
raised to 5.
5.
2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 value is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times if you multiply 2, it is 32. Okay. Now can you solve this? 2 cube plus 2 square. No law is there. For addition, there is no law. So you have to find it separately. What is 2 cube?
8.
Ma'am,
8.
4.
8.
8. 2 cube
8
is
plus
8.
4,
2
12.
square.
12.
4.
12.
Yes. 8 plus 4 is how much?
12.
12.
12. So your answer will be 12. There is no law for exponent addition. Huh? There is law only for multiplication, division and power ka power and negative power. Okay. Now here you have 6 cube divided by 4 square. See, in this type of question, you can do like this also. 6 into, just write like this. 6 into 6 into 6. 3 times 6. Divided means you can write it in the denominator. So write it down as like this. Because here you don't have the same base problem. So you can write like only square is there, na? So only 2, 4. So now you can cancel over here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Then 2 cancel. 2 3s are 6.
36 upon 16.
Okay. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So how much you are getting? 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 upon 2. So this will be the answer. 27 upon 2 in the mixed fraction can be written as like this, 13 1 by 2. You know how to convert it into mixed fraction now? If you don't know, you can ask. Huh? Everyone knows?
yes.
Everyone knows
Ma'am, we will.
Yes.
So it is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 upon 2. So you will just divide 27 by 2 and you'll get a quotient. You will write quotient over here, remainder over here. So 13.
And for division, we can change to multiplication and then write the answer in division, right?
You can write like this also. Yes. These laws we are doing for bigger questions, and for simplification, we have done the laws. Okay. Next one is,
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
yes, yes, Farah.
Google.
Can we solve question number 12 the way we solved question number 10?
Question number 12 or question number 12 we solved just now. Yeah. Yes, you can solve it like that also. You can solve it using the law, using the rules. You can solve it like that also. You want me to show it how you can solve it?
And what is the law
Ma'am?
for division, ma'am?
Ma'am?
Division law is when bases are same. When bases are same. Background noise is there. Please mute. Please mute. Yeah. Okay. So when bases are same, division law mein the powers are subtracted. Numerator power minus denominator power. Okay. So that law we have to use. Okay. You want me to show, Farhana, how will you do using this method?
No, ma'am.
You can do it same way, na?
Yes.
You can do it same way. Okay, express 2 cube raised to minus 2 using exponents. Means here you have to use law.
2 raised to minus 6.
Yes, so 2 raised to minus 6. Which law you have used, Abdullah?
3 into minus 2, ma'am.
3 into minus 2. So when powers are multiplied, when it is brackets are there. Evaluate, again the same thing, same law. Who will answer this? Amina, 3 raised to minus 2 whole power minus 1. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, it will be 9.
3 raised to plus 2. Yes, it is 9. Okay. Which power has the value 16? Now, whose answer is 16? Find out.
Ma'am,
C,
C.
C.
B.
Why C?
C,
Because
C.
1 by 4 minus 2. So you will do the reciprocal. It becomes 4 ka power 2. So it is 4 4s are 16. Okay, next. Next is simplification. Now we'll be using all the laws. You can use, you just write down in your notebook and you can solve it. These are oral questions. You can do like that also, directly also. But what will be the answer? How you do these questions? How will you do? Just tell me the method. Who will tell me? Farhana, how will you start?
Ma'am, we will start by multiplying inside the bracket.
You will start multiplying. So first multiplication is what? Whole numbers multiplication.
Yes.
So first you will multiply whole numbers, put the sign also, sign multiplication, then whole number multiplication. So what is the answer? Minus 3 2s is 6. Now what is the power of x?
X is to the power 3.
No, you have to multiply x cube into x4. So what will be the power now?
12.
4 and 3.
X7.
Powers are not
7.
multiplied.
X raised to 7.
7.
X raised to 7. When the basis, when you are multiplying, this is actually what? X cube into x4. X raised to 4. So when the two numbers are multiplied and the bases are same, powers are added. So 3 plus 4 will be 7.
7.
What is y square into y?
Ma'am, y to the power
Ma'am,
3.
y raised to 4.
Y cube.
Y cube.
Ma'am, y raised to 4.
Why y raised to 4? Only 2 plus 1, 3 power is there, na?
Yes.
2 y ka power 2 and y ka power 1. Powers are added when you are multiplying the exponents. Okay. Now in this question, Ahmad, what will be the answer? Minus 5 x cube y raised to 4 and z ka whole square.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Let Ahmad answer. Let Ahmad try, then you try the next one.
I think it's gonna be minus 5 square x
Minus 5 square. What is minus 5 ka square? You will have to put,
minus 10
no, 5 ka square is 5 into 5.
Ma'am,
minus 25 minus 25.
It's not minus, because when you are multiplying minus 5 into minus 5, it is plus 25. The power is even with negative number, the power becomes positive. So this becomes 25. So what is x raised to?
X raised to 5.
No, x raised to 3 into 2. Powers are multiplied. Who will answer this correctly? Okay. Yeah, 3 2s are 6. Correct. And next one, y raised to?
8.
8.
Yes, y raised to 8. And z raised to?
2.
So this here, whenever exponents are there and outside a power is there, powers are multiplied. Okay, this is the law we have used over here. Munib, where are
Ma'am,
you?
next can I answer, ma'am?
Yes, have you found the
Yes.
answer?
Yes.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, first of all, you'll simplify 4 and 2. The
Correct.
answer will be 2.
Yes. So
It will be 2x. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2x. Y
2
raised
and x cube and 3 minus 2. So your answer
the
will
answer
be,
is 1. Yes.
yeah, x
So
raised to 1,
2x.
we don't write. And y raised to 7 minus 10.
Minus
because it
3.
was division. So
Minus 3.
raised to
Minus 3.
3. So if I want to write this answer in a positive power, my answer will be 2x upon, is it correct?
Upon y cube.
Y.
Because I don't want to put a negative power, so I'll write the answer in this form. Okay. Next question, who will do? Raise your hand, I'll ask. Who will do the next question? You have to do it separately. All are multiplication only. See, in these type of question, how do we simplify? We have to take out common. Okay, because all are additions. So
Ma'am,
what
so-
common?
so we'll add 5 plus 3.
No, you cannot. You cannot add 5 because x square y and x y cube is there. You cannot add these two.
Ma'am,
When the
we will
variable-
add 5 and
you
4.
can add 5 and minus 2, correct?
Ma'am,
X
we
square
cannot
y
add
and
4.
x square y. So these two are like terms. You can, in algebra, you can add and subtract like terms only. But multiplication and division can be done with unlike terms also. Humaira, where are you? And this is also unlike, so this cannot be done. So what is 5 minus 2? Anybody has
3.
solved this question? Just try
3.
to solve it on your own. What is it? 3x square y.
3x
Yes.
Square y plus
plus 3xy
y cube
cube plus 4
plus
4
4
x
X
square
square.
y square.
y square. Okay. Further, what I can simplify? I can simplify it further also. What I can do? I will take out xy common from all the three. You can take out xy common from all the three terms. So just take out xy common. What is left over here? If you take out xy common, what is left over here? Was
3 plus 3 plus 4.
x is also left, na? Only
No, ma'am. 3x. Ma'am, 3x
x plus 3
plus 3y plus 3y square
3y square plus 4xy.
plus 4xy. Yes.
Now, if you have not understood this step, you can ask. Anybody has understood?
Ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah. See, whenever you are taking out common, what do? We are dividing. See, xy is there in all the three. So I will take out xy common, and when I am taking out xy common, I have to divide it by xy. All the terms I have to divide by xy. So when I divide 3xy by xy, what is the answer? 3xy by, sorry, 3x square y, hai na? So 3x square y by xy. So y cancel, and x ka power 2 and x ka power minus 1 upar chala jayega. So you are getting 3x, correct? X square upon x is what? 3x. So you get 3x. Again, if you divide 3xy cube upon xy, you will get x cancel, y3 minus 1, you will get y square. Okay, if you don't know how to take out common, just take out common and divide all the terms with a common thing, and you will get the answer.
And ma'am, this one, how did you, like, it came 3x, 2y, and 3x, that one?
This one?
No,
This
ma'am.
Yeah. This
Ma'am,
one.
the question was there, then how did it came like 3x, 2y plus 3x, y,
This 5x square y minus 2x square y, same terms are there. X square y, x square y, same variables are there. So you can do 5 minus 2 over here. Here also what we did, we took x square y common and 5 minus 2 you did. Actually what you did, you took x square y common in these two terms and you did 5 minus 2, which is 3. So 3x square y is the answer. Okay, algebraic addition you have done, algebra. X, Y, Z, same terms are added and same terms are subtracted. So same thing we did over here. Okay, so this will be the answer. Now next one, question number 5. Okay, Muazzam, now you try. What will be the answer for question number 5? 2 brackets multiplied.
Ma'am, first we will
Yes. Multiply, na?
multiply this 4x and 3x.
First you multiply the whole numbers, 4 and minus 3.
4 and minus 3, yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer?
Minus 12.
Minus 12. Now you multiply x raised to minus 2 and x raised to 3.
Ma'am, I got the
Ma'am,
answer.
it will become x. It will become x.
It will be only x because minus 2 plus 3. It will be x raised to 1. Okay.
Ma'am, y,
Then
then
y
y
raised to 2 and z, ma'am.
Y raised to not 2, 3
Not
plus
2,
1,
4,
4.
ma'am. 4. Y raised to 4 and z.
Only z. So this is the answer. Amina, did you get this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
4 into minus 3 is minus 12. X raised to minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. And y raised to 3 and plus 1 is 4. And z only 1. So that is like this. Okay. These are the next questions. Let me erase it. Okay. Same question, similar question is there. Minus 2x cube. Now you tell Amina. Minus 2x cube y square 3x raised to 4y. 2 brackets again multiplied. So what will we do first? Start with the whole
And
number.
first we will multiply minus 2 into 3.
What is it?
It will be minus 5.
Minus 6. Multiplying, not adding.
Minus
You
6.
are always adding. 3 2s are 6. You have to multiply. Then x raised to 3 into x raised to 4. What will you do to the powers?
We will add the powers.
Yes. So what do you get with x? What power you get after adding it? 4 and 3.
I get 6.
4 plus 3 is 7. And then you will add the power of y. So what is the power of y? 2. And here what is the power, Amina?
4, ma'am.
1. So
1,
2,
1.
2 plus 1 is, how much is 2 plus 1?
3. Y raised to 3.
So this is my answer. Okay. Saklain, second one.
Ma'am, it is the same one, ma'am. We got the same thing again.
Acha, I think it is repeated. Okay, evaluate 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 cube upon 2 raised to minus 4. Okay, I want you all to do it in your notebook and give me the answer. I'll wait. First, try yourself. 8 cube, you have to change it in the form of 2. So 2 cube you will have with a minus power. So first make 8 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator because powers are negative. So I have told you the step. Start doing it. 8 should
Ma'am,
go in
so both the powers will become positive.
positive. Yes. So 8 will go in the denominator and 2 will go in the numerator with the positive powers. Then change
Which means
8.
it will be ma'am 2 raised to 4 positive 4 into 5 raised to 3 upon 8.
8. Then solve it. Simplify means you will have to cancel. 8 is 2 cube. Yes, Afia.
We had to write 8 raised to minus 1 also, ma'am.
You
Like,
write
we
this.
only
way.
write 8 and 2. And we write minus 1 and minus 4
Yes,
also.
you will write it in the question. Then in the next step, 8 will go in the denominator with a plus 1 sign and 2 will go in the numerator with
So
a
we
plus
write
4 sign.
4 sign.
Yeah. And then into 5 cube and then solve. Then it becomes easier. Then in the next step, change 8 as 2 cube. And in the numerator, you have 2 raised to 4. So you can use the quotient law 4 minus 3 wala and you'll get in the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, Farhana.
after we do this 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3
Upon 2 raised to
upon 8.
it is 2 raised to 3. You have to write in the form of 2 because you can cancel out now.
So, ma'am, we can solve this also, na? 2 raised to 4.
You can solve it. I'm telling you to.
Ma'am, is the
to
answer
solve it this way.
250?
It takes less time. See, maths you can take a longer method also or shorter method also. Since you have learned the rules, you use the shorter method. Okay, so that you don't have to multiply it so many times. Here also, why I am telling you so that you are comfortable using. My next step is what? 2 raised to 4 upon 5 cube. Into 5 cube. Upon 2 cube. I can write it like this. Can you solve 2 raised to 4 and 2 cube? It is how much? It is only 2 because 4 minus 3 bases are same, powers are subtracted and into 5 cube. What is 5 cube? 5 5s are 25, 25 into 125. 125 2's answer is 250.
250.
This is the answer. Or you can cancel out, you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. Cancel 3 2's, you are left with 1 2.
Ma'am, I didn't do this way, ma'am.
Which way you did?
I did it like 2 raised to 4 I found first, which is 16. I did 16 into 125 upon 8. I cancelled 8 and 16 first, and then I got the answer 2 into 1.
But why do you want to do so many multiplications? See, why we are doing it? When you do a number of multiplications, you tend to make mistake. So just try, whenever we are doing simplification may try to do least calculation, because jitna more you do the calculation, the more probability of doing mistake is there. So that is why we are doing this. Yahan pe calculation least hai. Just we have to multiply 5 3 times. That's all. And into 2. If you do it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, matlab 16 likha, then 8 likha. Why should you do so many multiplication? It takes time also, na? So our aim is that solve the question in minimum amount of time. Okay, this one is simpler. Safia, can you do this? 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. What will happen to 5 raised to minus 1? What will you do? First is bracket you have to solve, right? So what will you do here? 5 raised to minus 1.
Ma'am, the first will reciprocal. So this 2 raised to 1. No, 1 raised to 5 and 1 raised to
1 by 2. Okay.
Then we will put bracket, then into 6.
Again minus power is there. So
Yeah.
you cannot take 6.
So reciprocal. Then 1 is to 6.
Correct. So what is the answer now? 1
1
yes,
1 raised to 60.
1 is to 10 into
1 by 60. Okay. 1 upon 60.
Yeah.
5 2s are 10. 1 by 10.
And, yeah.
6.
Ma'am, 5 to the 10 first we'll take. Then
Yes.
we'll do 10 into 6. So answer would be 60.
1 by 60. Not
Yeah,
60.
1 by 60.
Your voice. Can you speak up? So we'll take the last question.
Okay. Is find the value of m for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Now this type of questions are also very common in exponent. How do we do these questions? Just pay attention. I'll solve it here and then you will understand how do we do. All the bases are same, so you don't have much of the problem. 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3. So what will be my next step? It will be 5 raised to when division, Safia, mute. When division is there, what happens? And bases are same, what do we do? Powers are subtracted. This is the law. So I'll do m minus, my next power is minus 3. So I have to use integer also. I have to put a sign over here. And since this is an equation, so rest I'll write like this only. This is an equation. I cannot change the equation. Now, what is m minus minus 3? What is m minus?
M will be 2, ma'am. M will be 2, ma'am.
Okay, let me explain.
M plus 3.
It is m plus 3 equal to 5.
M might be 2, yes.
M will be 2,
In
ma'am.
this question, what will we do? Since bases are same and it is an equation, so I can equate the power. Bases are same, so that means power should also be same. So you will write one statement over here. Since bases are same, equating the powers. Equating the powers. I'm not writing, it's very uncomfortable writing here like this. So equating the power, you get m plus 3 equal to 5. Now you can solve for m. What is the value of m here from
2.
here? M
2.
is equal to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this type of question will be done like this. If suppose here in this question, it is already given in the form of 5. If yahan pe suppose 125 rehta, so you will have to change it 125 in the form of 5. So it will be 5 cube and then 5 and then you will solve. Is it clear? Because then only your aim should be make the basis same for whole equation. And then only you can equate the power. Otherwise, you will not be able to equate the power if you have to find the value of power. Is it clear, everyone, this question?
Yes,
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Which one?
The last one.
This one. Just first step, apply the law of quotient. So I applied the law of quotient m minus minus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. I get 5 raised to m plus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Now you can see over here, equation sign is there. Equation means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side you have 5 raised to m plus 3 and right hand side you have 5 raised to 5. So equating the power, because base to same hai already. So that means power should be same. So equating the power, you get m plus 3 equal to 5, which is m equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay? Okay, Safia? Now this question, use the law, you do it yourself. 25 into t raised to minus 4. I'll give you a hint. Make 25 in terms of 5 and 10 also in terms of 5. And then solve.
5 square.
Yes, 5 square. And this is 5 raised to minus 3.
Ma'am, 24 into what?
24, 25.
25, yeah, sorry. 25 into?
25 into t raised to minus 4.
58.
And 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. So first, make it in the form of 5. This will be 5 into 2. This 5 raised to minus 3 is there. And this is 5 raised to 2 is there. 25 is 5 square. Use the division rule.
Life skill. Life skills.
We're not doing life skills.
Yeah.
Humaira, not trying. Do it in your notebook without doing in the steps. You cannot solve it. Yes. Yeah, Safia.
This t not equal to 0 is also there.
T not equal to 0 is not required for you, because if t is equal to 0, your this simplification becomes not defined. You know that denominator cannot be 0. So that is why they have mentioned. Yeah, Farhana.
10, you said we have to write it like 5 into 2.
You can write 5 into 2 so that 5 cancel hoega. You can write 5 square. I will just write it directly. 5 raised to 2 plus 3 into t raised to minus 4 and plus 8. And here it is 5 into 2. So one more 5. If I cancel it here, I'll have a minus 1 over here. So 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So answer should be 5 raised to 4. Just see what is your answer. 5 raised to 4, t raised to 4 upon 2.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
why did you do 5 raised to 2 plus 3 minus 1?
See, 5 square is 25. Minus
yeah.
3 goes in the numerator plus 3. Okay, multiplied plus 3, or division rule also if you use, it will be 2
Yes.
minus 3, which is 2 plus 3. This 1 5 is also there. So 1 5 I have subtracted minus 1.
So 5 raised to 1.
Okay. 5 raised to 1 is there. So division में minus 1 हो जाएगा ऊपर जाके. And then minus 4 and this minus 8 if you divide minus 8, which is plus 8. I have not written one step in between. I have just done it directly. So minus 4 plus 8. If this minus 8 goes in the numerator, it becomes plus 8. So minus 4 plus 8 is how much? T raised to 4 and 5 raised to 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the answer. You can solve any way, whichever is easier for you. This I have solved it because this appears easier for me. So for the cancelling part, you can do the cancelling part and do like that also. But the answer should be same. All of you got this answer. Is it clear, this question? So write down this question and do it at home. The next question, write down only the question and do it at home. Next time I'll ask you the answer. This one, 3 raised to minus 5 wala. Write down everyone in your notebook.
Just 1 minute, ma'am. Can I quickly interfere?
Yeah, sure, sir.
I think there is no electricity in Vignar. A lot of students are unable to join. So we continue this class. We almost finished it. Just a note for everybody. So we are not having the last class. All right, today. So no class, no life skill class right now. Okay, everybody. Ma'am, you heard me, no? I think I conveyed to everybody. All right. So only after Shruti ma'am's class, we are not having the final class.
Okay. So all of you have written the question. Can I stop sharing now?
Yes.
Everyone has written.
Ma'am, we'll solve it now, ma'am.
You solve it. Keep it answer ready with you. I'll ask you in the next class. Okay. Everyone, just solve this question, and I'll ask the answer in the next class. All of you have noted down. Okay, that's all for today's class. Just revise the laws. Everyone, please remember.
Ma'am, I had a question, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah.
In this question, the last question which you gave, it is 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 upon 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5, right?
Which question?
The last question now, which you told us to do it at home.
Acha, this question.
Yeah, in that, can we cancel 3 and 6? Like 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So it will be 1 raised to minus 5.
Just a moment. 3 raised to minus 5. And what do you want to cancel?
3 and 6.
You can cancel, yes, because both the powers are same. So you can cancel. What you will do? 3 by 6 whole power minus 5 you will write. You can write like that. So 1 by 2 you will do. And then whole power minus 5 should be there outside. So do stepwise, otherwise you will make mistake. Okay, because the power is same, you can cancel, but you have to put it in the bracket outside minus 5 power. 3 by 6 will be 1 by 2, but the power will be minus 5 outside. Okay, so any process you can follow, whichever appears simpler to you, but don't follow the long calculation one. Okay, maths is for simplification. Simplicity should be there. No long calculation should be there. Okay, avoid doing long calculation. Okay, see you in the next class, and that's all for today's class. Bye everyone.
Bye.